Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic Lacquer Robin Eggs and Moyra full stamping. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Robin Eggs. This is from the spring collection and I really love this one. It's a very fun polish. So I'm going to go in with my first coat and get it, started. We're going to cap that free edge. And I'm playing with that one on the corner, that one little bitty glitter. So there we go. I am going to go in with the second coat of Robin Eggs here. And it's such a perfect spring polish. And I'm so excited to be wearing it today. There we go. Get that one on there. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. I love the shimmer in the background of this one. When I turn my nail and the light hits it just right, you can see it. It's so nice. I cap that free edge again. That is. I'll be using Moyra Stamping Plate Florality 2 and the Moyra Stamping Polish, which, Anywho. And then we've got the Magic Foil from Moyra in blue. I've got my scraper out. It's clear jelly scraper and my monocle stamper from Maniology. So I'm going to just do different images, I think. I think that'd be the best way to go today. And I am so heavy-handed that these really big open-spaced images are tricky. But I got this one, and we're going to stamp that on the nail, and then start tapping in with the blue foil. Got that florality on the brain. Foil. So that worked really well. I might not have done such a great color choice combination, but whatever. I'm cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I'm going to move down here and do this other rose image. Gotta get everything ready. And here we go. We're going to scrape and pick up. And out of all of them, this one was the one that didn't show up as well on the nail, but it was because it had fine lines. There wasn't nothing wrong with the image. It's just, I think it's better to use thicker lined images when doing this full stamping here. So we've got another rose image, and we're going to plop that one on also. And tap, tap, tap. There we go. Tapping we will go. So we're going to keep plopping right along. You guys know that I've spent a lot of time working and playing with this here lately. I was obsessed. I wanted to be able to do it. And now that I've successfully done it, maybe I'll back off for a minute. And then we'll come back to it again later. Because I do want to play with other color combinations and, all that good stuff. And we're going to get this one on the pinky nail. And then tap, tap, tap. So I'm really, really glad that I gave these Moyra foils a chance, because this was so much better. I am going around my cuticles with the tape and getting off that excess foil and stamping polish to the best I can. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and just clean everything up pretty good. There it is. Alrighty. And today I'm going to be using the Revolution top coat for foils. It's made by Picture Polish. I'm going to go over with a thin coat of that and let it completely dry. And then I'll be using Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls to do my final top coat. And I really was happy with this one. This was the best foil stamping on my nails that I've ever gotten, so pretty happy about that. Capping that free edge. I do have a swatch photo coming up. I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.